Before we proceed, please note that this video is edited by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the Spotify error? JWT is expired. This error has cropped up for many Spotify users recently, but don't worry, it's not an isolated incident. This error is tied to a recent Spotify system outage, so it's not just you experiencing this hiccup. So, what exactly should you do if you come across this error? Well, the first step to take is to check Spotify's system status. You can do this by visiting status.spotify.dev, or twitter.com/Spotify status. If Spotify is experiencing a system-wide issue, it's best to sit tight and wait until their systems return to normal. But what if Spotify's system status is showing as operational? In that case, it's time to clear your Spotify cache. If you're using the Spotify app, head to your device settings and clear the app cache. If you're using the Spotify web app in your browser, you'll want to clear your browser cache. After clearing the cache, try using Spotify again. If the error persists, consider switching to a different device or browser. This can help you determine if the issue is related to your specific device or browser, or if the problem lies with Spotify itself. Still experiencing the Spotify error JWT is expired? Here are a few other common workarounds to try. First, check your internet connection. Try using a different internet connection if possible. Second, ensure your Spotify app is updated to the latest firmware version. If all else fails and the error continues, it's time to reach out to Spotify support and report the issue. In summary, the Spotify error. JWT is expired is a system-wide issue caused by a recent Spotify outage. If you're facing this error, check Spotify's system status, clear your Spotify cache, try using a different device or browser, and ensure your Spotify app is updated. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to contact Spotify support. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit queries.com.